Hi everybody, Mrs. Jamison here. I wanted to put a quick video together to show you some of the things that your child might need to do if we end up going remote. I think it's a lot easier just to kind of see what they're doing, and I'll try to teach you. So every child will be bringing home their own iPad. Okay, most teachers will have it set up already with SeeSaw, ready to go. Here's the iPad screen back here so you can see it a little bit bigger. We are going to be going into an app called SeeSaw. A lot of you have it on your phones at home. This is the class app, so I'm going to click that. Now I have this set up for one of my students. One of the things that we'll be doing if we are at home is Zoom meetings, okay? We'll be getting together as a class. We'll be learning together. They'll get to see each other. They'll get to see me. I'll get to teach them. So I have set up here a Zoom link. It's in the journal. My families are used to going in the journal to see pictures that I've sent. So this is going to always be pinned right to the top of the journal. To get into Zoom, all your child has to do is they'll click on the Zoom button here with their finger, like that. There's going to be a little link button here. They'll click that, and then they'll click the blue words. We did practice this in class today for the kiddos who were here. Whoops. And it should, try that one more time, take us into Zoom. Now I don't have a Zoom meeting up and ready to go, but the kids would see a black screen. It will say, Mrs. Jamison will let you into the room in a minute. Just do that and they will be all set. On the iPad, if you're ever stuck and don't know where to go, the circle home button will get you out of anything, get you where you need to go. Now I'm going to go back into SeeSaw. Any of the activities or things that we do, if you click on them, they'll pull up big. There is a small arrow over here. If you click on that, it gets you back to the journal. Another thing we looked at today are activities. If we are remote, there will be activities that I might send the students to do, which are like worksheets for the iPad. So over here, there is a light bulb, okay, and I have 3 activities that I assigned. If you click on the light bulb, it will bring you to the activities page, okay. This one here is like a tracing one. Here is just circling letters, and then the bottom one is making shape patterns. So I'm going to show you really quick on the number tracing one some of the features of this. So if you want to respond to do the worksheet, you're going to click the Add Response button. If you click on the picture, it will make it big, but your child won't be able to do anything to it. So click Add Response. Okay. Once you're in here, this is where the child can manipulate the page. Down here at the bottom, there's a pencil, there's a skinny marker, there's a highlighter. You can use any of these things to write on here. I'm going to choose the skinny marker. On the side, and the kids enjoy playing with this, you can change it to whatever color you want. So I'll make mine purple. And then your child will just use their finger to trace on the page. So there, I'm going to trace 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? If they make a mistake and want to go back, there's back arrows up here. You can just click that and it will make it go away. If you make a mistake erasing, you can use the forward arrow and it'll bring everything back. Also on the bottom, there's an eraser. If you click on that, you can choose your size, a small eraser up to a large eraser, or an erase everything. And then your child can just use their finger to erase. Okay? Some of the activities have multiple pages. So here I'm on page 1. To get to the next page, I'll just click on it. Okay, and then I can get to the last page. Okay. Once your child completes the whole page, they're all done, they're ready to send it to the teacher. There is a little check mark up here. This is the check, go check it teacher. So if I click that, it sends it right to the teacher. and then I'll be able to see it on my computer, look at it, make comments, correct it. If I go back into the Activities tab, you'll notice that isn't here anymore. The other two are. And if I come over here, these are the ones that are in progress. Maybe if I start working on it and I'm not finished. Ones that are finished are here in the Done category. So if I click that, you'll see this is done. If you realize that there's 3 pages and you only do one of them, you can click the Respond Again. And it will open it back up so your child can try it again. To get out of any of these, there's an X at the top. You can just click the X. Okay, I'm going to click Delete and start over. And that brings you back to the Activities page. Just like on your app, there is an inbox where if I send class announcements or notes to the class, you can access this through your child's iPad also. And then the journal here is kind of like home base for everything. And that's where any work that your child does on SeeSaw will show up in here. And then all of the pictures and videos that I've been sending home are all in there too. All right. To get out of this, all you do is you click the little home circle button and it brings you back to the iPad. All right. I also did show the class really quickly. If you hit the home button 2 times really fast, click, click, it brings up the different things that have been opened. And I've taught the students to swipe them up. It makes them go away, and that just helps save your battery. I hope that was a quick little tutorial that could answer some questions for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I'll be happy to try to answer. Thank you so much.